Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well, and sorry for the shaky screen because I'm recording this sitting in my drawing room on the sofa, because this book is a really huge book and I can't fit it on my craft table. So these are the pieces that I got out of the book, and there's the note with the measurements. So I'll just give you a quick closer look, and tell you the measurements. So I have about 4 of these, and I broke 2 while removing them because it was very difficult to remove them. They were really stuck on the pages, some of them. So I have 4 of these, and these are 23.5 by 28.5 centimeters. Then about 100 of these, and these are 11 by 13.5 centimeters. Then these pieces are about 9 by 9 centimeters, and they are 12 pieces. Then 12 of these, and they are about 5 centimeters by 6.5, and about 12 of these long pieces, and they are 20 and they are 11 by 13.5 centimeters. So I got all these pieces out of this book, and some of them have already been spoken for. So if anybody else wants any pieces, so please let me know, because I have more than enough. And now we will take a look inside this book. So I'm going to glue this fabric on the cover. I have already glued it on the back cover, and I have to still glue the spine. I am going to leave the handles and work around them. Then inside I am going to decorate the front 2 pages. Then I have made one prototype page, and I'm going to leave this pages with the photos as they are, because they are quite pretty and no point in covering them. But I did cover the pages which had the laminate pieces, so I'm going to cover those pages. And I have already glued one pocket here, and I made 3 pockets here. And the plastic that I have used is these plastic sheets, and they are from a cotton samples book. Well, exactly not one book, several books. So I saved the sheets and I'm going to use them, and it's a very nice thick plastic, and it's really soft. It's not a flimsy one, so it will hold very well inside the book. And the pages that I used to cover the pages are from this book, one of my favorite authors, and I really loved this book. But then I thought that no one is going to read this book after I'm gone, so might as well use it in this. I'm going to save the front couple of pages for a junk journal, and I have torn the pieces of the first few pages and I'm going to use them. So this was my quick update, and I hope you will follow me on my updates. So, and I don't want this to be one of those projects that you leave halfway. I do want to finish this, and I hope you all enjoyed watching, and take care and stay safe. Sending many hugs and love to all my crafty friends around the world, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.